You don't need to show your face to make money on YouTube anymore. AI can now help you create full videos from voice to visuals to editing, all without turning on a camera. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create your own faceless YouTube channel using AI step by step. The first thing you need to do is choose a niche that works without showing your face. Faceless channels do really well in categories like motivation and mindset, AI tools and tech tutorials, finance or business facts, and storytelling or documentaries. Pick one that genuinely interests you because consistency beats perfection. So if it actually gives you interest, you definitely want to keep pushing. So next, let's use AI to create your content. So go to ChatGPT and type, write a 60-second YouTube script about, then you put in your topic. You can even ask it to structure the video into hook, body, and call to action. For ideas, titles, and description, you can also use Notion AI or Gemini. These two help you brainstorm faster and keep your creativity flowing. Now it's time to bring your scripts to life with a voice. So tools like ElevenLabs, Play It, or Murf AI can generate realistic sounding voices that matches your video's tone. Just paste your script, pick a voice you like, and download the audio. But I really don't recommend ElevenLabs when you don't have money to start up, because ElevenLabs is literally no longer free. Because even if they tell you to start it free, before you write 2 prompts, they will tell you that you have broken their laws, that you have to upgrade to Pro. So it's not necessarily because you've broken their laws or because your IP address is compromised or anything. They just want you to upgrade to Pro. So you can use Clipchamp, especially if you have a desktop. This is lifesaver. I've done videos on how to use Clipchamp. Check out my tutorials where I taught you how to create faceless YouTube channel, how to create African folktale channel. You see exactly how I showed you how to use Clipchamp on that video. Once your voice is ready, let's turn it into a video. You can use tools like Pictory, HeyGen, or Synthesia to automatically create full videos from your script and voice. Or if you prefer editing yourself, you can check CapCut or Canva video. I've done a video for you how to use CapCut and also how to use Canva, so you can go check them out. I'm going to link them to this video. If you have internet, you can definitely use Canva. If you have Canva Pro, add your AI voice, background clips, text overlay, and some soft background music. Keep your video clean, readable, and simple. That's what gets people to keep watching. After that, design your thumbnail using Canva or ThumbnailAI, but I really prefer using Canva. That's my best thumbnail AI designer because it saves you a lot of stress. All you have to do most of the times is just go and get a template and work on the template. Just take few minutes to edit the template. So ThumbnailAI is also like that, but my favorite is Canva. And I also done tutorials on how to use Canva as a beginner, so you can go check it out. I'll leave all the links to this video on the description box. Your thumbnail should make people curious, not confused, and it should not be a clickbait. Use both text, clear faces or icon, and bright contrast. Once you're done, upload your video to YouTube, add your title and description, and then hit publish. That's it. Your first faceless YouTube video made entirely with AI. By the way, if this is your first time here, hi, welcome. My name is Blessy. I'm a web developer and content creator. I make easy, beginner-friendly videos about AI, tech, and digital skills to help you grow online using smart tools, no stress, and it's for free. So if that's your vibe, make sure to stick around, subscribe, and like this video. Now, here's something I want you to remember. You don't need to be perfect to start. Perfection is a lie. Everyone you admire on YouTube once had 0 subscribers. The only difference is they started. AI has made content creation easier than ever before, but it's up to you to take the first step. Don't wait to be ready. Start and grow as you go. And that's how to create faceless YouTube channel using AI step by step. So if you got value from this video, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials on AI, tech, and digital skill. Comment below and tell me what niche you are planning to start your faceless YouTube channel in. I'll reply and maybe feature your idea in my next video. make sure to write it on the comment section. You can go into motivation or folktales or all of that. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.